this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location, here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and photos online that are given by guests or guests. Its review rating is 8.0, which is the very good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Property along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so by providing in the description. For booking or more details, check